Hey guys, it's Buddy Tail here and welcome to another video. So, today we are doing a mail time. I did a live stream because you guys gift me so much during live streams. So I did one just for about a half hour or so. We have some tigers in my den. She's doing the MMM thing from Avari. But, what the heck? We have a lot of people in my den right now that are just being weird. So, let's just start with the mail time. From Blue Wolf 07, we have a top coat. Thank you so much to her. Next, Lou gifted me like 99% of these. We have a gold brick, thank you. She was gifting me so much, she was just spamming me with gifts when I said I was going to do a mail time. So she pretty much, I think literally every gift in this is from her. Thank you, a fire drum. I think those are really cool items. It will not load, it's taking forever. That's just an amazing thing to happen. Okay, next we have... Oh, a masterpiece! That looks cool! Thank you so much! She told me she gifted me a masterpiece, and then Heartbroken kept yelling at her, "Don't spoil it!" Ooh, a chamber candle. Oh, that's from the hidden area of Animal Jam. Next we have a rare gardening hat, thank you. After that we have steampunk goggles, thank you again. And then after steampunk goggles we have some star glasses, and then we also have a rare witch hat, thank you so much. So thank you so much to Lou for gifting me all of this. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Bye, Heartbroken. Bye. What is happening in my den? I'll let you know if I find her. Okay, Heartbroken can't find her cat. So she said she needs to go find him. But thank you so much to all these weird people in my den. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go hide over here. We're hiding. Okay, we're gonna hide in the kitchen. They can't see us now, guys. Oh, we need to put up this masterpiece. Where are we gonna put it? There's like no space. I've already started school. People haven't started school yet, but I have. And then we're gonna put this fire drum right here. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Follow me on Instagram. There will be a link below. Because tomorrow I'm going to be doing a Q&A, and there's a post on my Instagram page to where you can ask me questions. I also posted a few AJ selfies from my live stream. So thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and comment. And then if you're new around here, subscribe. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.